of the trying to break the flip phone trial. Couldn't get it the first time, throwing it against the floor in the room. So what we did was went and grabbed a hammer after a couple people that I know told me to try this, and we're gonna try and break this thing. As you remember, if you saw the last episode, the back came off as soon as I pulled it. So
show them the break.
And right here is snapped, right, almost open. So let's see what happens. All right.
Look it over.
Ready?
Set. Go. You missed, I think. Oh shit! I think I saw it crack.
Nah, I just dented. Look at this.
Look at this, guys. All I did is dent.
Try with the picky end. Alright, we're gonna try with the back end.
I think this bean's plastic.
Not even. Look, it's just bending. It's plastic. Try hitting it like this.
Hey, I'm gonna get a screwdriver. After that.
Oh, I missed it.
Alright. Hey, continue, man. I'm gonna get a screwdriver.
Alright, we're gonna go get a screwdriver and pop this thing open. Hurry up.
Ow!
Turn around and show everybody them nips.
Dude, we can't because we'll get in trouble. See? Be the cameraman again.
Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, it actually hit it in the corner.
Nope, nothing. Alright, I'm gonna stick it in.
We're gonna try breaking it open so we can see the inside. We'll do anything to break this phone.
This is the shittiest phone in the world. Back in the day, it was #1. Now it's just shit. Oh yeah.
As you see, we actually broke it with the screwdriver.
Damn things like glued. Hey, gold.
Huh?
Gold.
Okay, Richard. It's just a motorcycle. Yeah, let me try.
Hold it.
Okay, here, let me try. I'm trying without the screwdriver.
That's cool. Alright, well, that's where we're gonna leave off. Subscribe. Hit that like button. And in the description below, our kicks and our Instagrams are gonna be under there.
And try to give us more ideas to break the rest.
Alright.